All right, into the writer's room. What is content and how do I get paid to write it? Oh, we're slipping off to the side. Welcome to the business of storytelling. What is content? Content generally means anything that is online. While content can be drawn, sung, filmed, designed, danced, what I do, what we're doing, sharing the expertise I can with you, this is video content, but what I do for money outside in my life is content writing. Basically, a content writer is responsible for anything that's written for a company or an individual brand that lives online. How do you get paid to do it? Today I'm going to talk to you about 4 simple steps to becoming a beginner content writer. 1, you need a portfolio. Put together a portfolio is priority numero uno. You need something that shows potential clients that you can deliver the goods. Portfolios are a whole other kettle of fish. It's a whole other big topic. So I'm not gonna go into super detail right here, but if you do need to put together a content writing portfolio of your own, you might wanna check out the video. This video, we're gonna link it below, maybe around here and here, about putting together a portfolio. So I have a whole nother video on that. Hop on over there if you need some specific stuff about putting together your content writing portfolio. Before you have any paying clients, you gotta get that portfolio together first. Then next, step dose, you're gonna establish yourself online. You're gonna start calling yourself a content writer on LinkedIn. You're gonna have friends recommend you in certain skills. Update your social media. Create a basic website that lists writing services that you offer. You're gonna link your portfolio on that website. It's gonna be a way for potential clients to get in touch with you. You need an online life. You need to establish that as step 2. And then once you are established, step 3, you need some clients. So you got a portfolio, you got an online presence, you're killing it, you have a place to point potential clients if they seem interested, you have something to hang your hat on the internet, you're real, okay? You're legit, you're professionally legit, you're up and coming, and you're gonna start applying for openings on places like Upwork, freelancer.com, LinkedIn Jobs. You're gonna list a few gigs on Fiverr that you're able to write a couple of things for people. Since you're just starting out, you might even consider offering lower prices, lower rates, so you can rack up a few clients, get some 5-star reviews, get some feedback, get some experience under your belt. That is step 3, getting some clients, your first few baby clients. From there, my friend, then 4, grow your business, little by little, Lego brick by Lego brick. If you're working another part or full-time job while you grow your writing business, then you need to commit to a few daily or weekly, depending on your schedule, a few tasks that you can do to build your business gradually, a little bit each day, a little bit each week. Rome wasn't built in a day, y'all. You don't need to be a professional writer by EOD tomorrow. Brick by brick, tiny little bits. I believe in you. I really do. My motto with all of this is that done is better than perfect. So don't get wrapped up in making the perfect portfolio before you make the perfect website, before you do the perfect profile on LinkedIn. Just do a bad profile on LinkedIn. I mean, don't worry about it being perfect. Of course you want to edit it and go along, but having those things like rough draft done, it's better to have an imperfect portfolio to show clients and a basic website to point them to than to endlessly tweak these 2 assets forever and worry that they're not good enough to show to others. Show it anyway. Be brave. You can, I swear. Y'all are beautiful. You're wonderful humans. This is your pep talk for the week. I love you. Like really, I love you guys very much. And I'm so glad that you tune in each week. And I am excited for you to, go after some content writing dreams that you might have. Get paid to clackety-clack on the keyboard, which is what my husband says. I'm Caroline Cole. I'm so grateful. This is the Business of Storytelling. Thank you for coming each week. Follow me on Instagram at Caroline Cole Stories, and please click that little thumbs up below. That helps other people find the video. Put a comment below, subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. This really helps other people find the kind of content that is best for them, and the kind of stuff, hopefully like this, that encourages and helps people find creative ways to engage with the internet, make a living on the internet, and, healthily be online and live those lives in the real world with the internet as a tool. All right, friends, I'll see you in May.